So when I first saw the question about motivation, I really wasn't sure what my motivation was. But I think my motivation really comes from I want to change how people think about a problem. That the solutions to problems come and go, and that only really smart people can solve with quick. Right. But frameworks and paradigms change much more slowly. So slower people like me can keep up with it. And so when I approach a problem, I want to change how we think about it rather than solve it.
To me, engineering is discovering or inventing problems and then coming up with ideas to solve the problems. But even if we don't solve the problem, we solve other problems, but just because that's the way technology evolves. So I think the way to come up with ideas is to just let ourselves, immerse ourselves in the problem formulation or problem discovery and try to focus on those issues, and the inventions will come.